Welcome. In this video, I'm quickly going to show you the first thing that you need to do once you get your plan book set up and you're in, is you need to create your classes. At this point, you don't have any classes in here, so what we're going to do is we're going to go in and we're going to look at that. Now, you can do this several different ways. The easiest way is really to click Add and go into Class. You want to add class. You can always go into your classes later, and I'll show you how to do that. But let's go in, and we want to add all of these things to our plan book. So I'm going to click Add Class. I'm going to pretend that I am a 8th grade algebra teacher. I could type. All right, so I'm teaching remedial algebra, and I'm going to be teaching it in the morning. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to type in my class name here. Now, even if you're a kindergarten teacher, you could and you have the same kids all day, you can still use this. Let's say you start calendar time in the morning, then you have centers, then you carry into arts and crafts time, then you carry into math, then you carry into reading, so on and so forth. You can create a class for each section of your classroom. Like me teaching 2nd grade, I have my kids all day. The first one is like I may put morning work in there. Like I know morning work's not a class, but their morning rituals and routines, that's a segment of my schedule. So whatever your schedule is, you can schedule those classes out. If you're an 11th grade econ teacher, you can separate this out into your segments where you have different econ classes for the time. So this is when you're making your classes, you're really doing your schedule. You can see down here, and you'll see how that works. Some will go in. It starts 8/4. Last day of school's here. Yes, I have students. No, I'm not going to collaborate yet because I haven't created anything yet. Now I'm going to go in and I'm going to do my time. I'm not going to do Sunday or Saturday because those are not school days for me. So I'm going to go in, and I have remedial algebra. I'm in middle school, so class starts at 8:15 and goes for an hour. Now I can go through and I can manually insert all those times, but I don't want to do that. So just click right here and apply times to every day. Once you're finished with that, click on the check mark and that'll say confirm schedule. Yes, I want to do that. That's your schedule for remedial algebra for the year. Now, if you only have it one semester, you can go in and you can change this end date to the end of the semester. You can also, if it's just for next semester, I could go in and put January here and then leave the 5th as my end. However you want to adjust your schedule and whatever it does. So I'm simply going to click apply that class in there, and it's going to run, and you can see I have remedial algebra in here. Now my next class is going to be AP geometry, so I'm simply going to click add. I'm going to click class. I have AP geometry. Yes, it's going through here. I'm going to do a different class color because I don't want the same class color all the way through the thing. You can if you want, that's fine. Now, when is this one's going to happen? It's going to happen from 9:15 and it's going to go till 10:15. I'm going to apply all those times to each one. Hey, that schedule looks good, and I click check. And boom, I've made my next class. Now I'm going to keep going through and making these until the end of the day. They're not going to have any elements in, but it's at least setting up your schedule of what you're doing for this year or this semester. So that's how you create your classes in Planbook. I hope that helps. Thanks.